Okay, so I've got all the screws back in place, arms in the right pocket, screws are all in place, and the last thing to do is to just weave this cord through these cord guides, starting on the right at the first one, and then the left on the next one. I don't think I can do this one-handed, but you get the idea. Weave it through left, right, and then you're going to come all the way down, and it will go into this hole. You might have to clean it out a little bit after taking the weight out, unscrewing it. The cord will go through here, and you want to get it about the same tightness as the other ones, and screw the cord in, or screw the weight in that holds everything in place, and you'll be done. So let me do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done.